To terminate a LANmark connector on a UTP Cat 6 cable, first strip the jacket using a set depth cutter, remove across from any one of the positions between the pairs as close as you can to the jacket, and then insert the pairs through the wire manager, taking account of the pair orientation depending on which end you're stripping on the cable. Cross the other two pairs and take the wire manager straight the way down to the jacket. Take the cores into the two slots within the wire manager, noting that the solid orange is the only core to the outside of the two slots. All other cores are to the centre slots. And then remove the surplus cable using side cutters. Fit the wire manager with the key in the correct orientation into the comfort tool, and the termination is finished.